Hey guys, today let's try to transfer WhatsApp data onto your new phone. So if you guys would like to go ahead and transfer your WhatsApp data onto a new device, this is going to be pretty easy. All we need to do is launch the WhatsApp application, go in over your settings, and then I want you to go ahead and tap on your chats. Now, of course, preferably I'd like you to go ahead and tap on export chat and then choose the chat that you'd like to go ahead and export. Now from that, you can actually go ahead and now send a copy of this chat to other people. But since we want to go ahead and transfer our whole WhatsApp data to a new device, my advice is to tap on chat backup and then back up your data right now. Now doing this will actually allow you to back up the data of the whole chat on your current device. And the next time you log on to your new device using the same account, the chats will automatically be downloaded and restored and reverted back to your new device, allowing you to have a seamless transition between those two new devices. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.